let's just close our eyes, feet flat on the floor, hands on the thighs. Feel your seat on the seat. And as you take the next few breaths, just notice where pressure is on your seat. And I'm going to invite you to, maybe you feel like you're up on your sit bones. I'm going to invite you to kind of find where you're sitting on your butthole. So your sit bones you're not perched up on them necessarily, you're just sitting on your butthole. And we're just going to take a couple of breaths here. Good, and I just want you to visualize stretching the fabric of your torso and rib cage in all directions. So up, down, front, back, left, right. One more time, that breath stretching in all directions. Good. And then where you're sitting, you're going to move your feet back to the degree that your heels can still be on the ground, but that your shins aren't directly vertical, that the ankles are further back than the knees, okay? From here, what we're going to do is bring our hands up into kind of a boxer's position, and we're simply going to let our chest move forward until we feel our butt get light on the chair. And then we'll sit back down on our seat, and then you're going to let your chest come forward until your butt gets light on the chair, and then you're going to come back. Okay, a couple more times like that. Good. As you feel your chest come forward and your butt start to get lighter on the chair, you might play with reaching the hands forward a little bit. So as the chest comes forward, you might reach the hands. You might reach the hands just to help counterbalance that pelvis. You could try a couple that we're going to go from here, and as the chest comes forward, we're going to reach the arms up. Reach the arms up. Reach the arms up. Make sure you feel your shoulder blades coming up with you. Okay? So now I want you to think about the shoulder blades or the scapula, and as that chest comes forward, we're going to do a circle with those shoulders. So the hands might go up, they might just go forward. Okay, on the next one, as that weight goes forward, you're going to circle and move those shoulder blades back away from the back rib cage. And just start to notice which of those kind of help you get loaded into the legs, and it just feels like a really smooth weight shift or transition, and that you, as you come out of the chair, it doesn't result in you just standing all the way up. Okay, that you can stay folded and loaded. So one more time, and this time we're going to think about the sides of our body, and that as we weight shift forward, those sides of our body could come in the direction that we're going, or they could go in the opposite direction as we're going, those sides of our body. So get a sense of that. Do a couple where the sides of the body fold forward to help catch your weight. See if they do. A couple where the sides back. And you might get a sense that one side wants to fold back and one side wants to fold forward. And play with that. Okay? Then we're going to let that go.